So are you also still sending WhatsApp messages manually to all your potential clients? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Connect, and in this video we are going to understand how to create a rental industry WhatsApp chatbot for Facebook lead ads leads using Pabbly Chatflow. So over here I'm running a rental business and we use Facebook lead ads to get more leads for our business. And now what I want to create a WhatsApp chatbot for all the Facebook lead ads received. So for that I'm simply going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Chatflow first, so that as soon as my lead is going to fill in the lead gen form on my Facebook lead ads, automatically they are going to receive an automated WhatsApp message. And further, when they are going to reply to that WhatsApp message, we are going to create a chatbot. And to create this WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow only, so that as soon as my lead is going to respond to the message which we send with the help of Pabbly Connect, automatically my chatbot is going to respond to them, like sending them the brochure and the pricing details. So if you also want to see the proper working of this powerful automation, and do you also want to create this automation for your business and convert your leads into your paying clients, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we learn how to set up a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow to automatically engage leads from Facebook lead ads. So if you run a rental business, whether it's properties, cars or equipments, you know that we receive number of inquiries and leads from Facebook lead ads. So what we're going to do is, first we're going to nurture that lead by sending them a welcome message, and then further, if my lead is going to reply to that welcome message, my chatbot is going to get triggered. So as you can see that we're going to send a welcome message something like this. And in order to send this welcome message, first we have to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Chatflow. And we have created this connection with the help of Pabbly Connect. Alright. So if you want a detailed video on the connection of Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Chatflow, I'm going to attach it in the description box below and you can check it out. I've already created a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Chatflow in such a way that as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead with the help of Facebook lead ads for this page, and as soon as my lead is going to fill in this lead gen form, automatically they're going to receive a welcome message using Pabbly Chatflow. A welcome message something like this. So to do this, I've simply selected my trigger application as Facebook lead ads. For the trigger event, I selected new lead instant. I connected my Facebook lead ads with my Pabbly Connect's workflow. I selected the page name lead gen form and then captured the webhook response. Further, using Pabbly Chatflow, I send them an automated WhatsApp message. For that, for the action application, I selected Pabbly Chatflow, and then for the action event, I simply selected send message template. I mapped the recipient mobile number, selected the template which I have already created, entered all of these details, the body parameter too. Alright, and then further I send them an automated welcome message like this. And now further what I want is that as soon as my lead is going to reply to that welcome message, which is this one, automatically my chatbot should be triggered. So this video will focus on how to create a chatbot and not on the integration part. And if you want to learn about this integration part, you can check out the video given in the description box below. Alright, so to create a WhatsApp chatbot after sending this welcome message, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you have to open the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and now from the left side of the bar, you can go towards this flows simply. So as you can see over as flows, so I'm just going to go towards this flows section of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And after coming over here towards the flows section, we have to go towards this button in the top right corner which says add flow. Alright, and as soon as we're going to click on this add flow, this is the window which is going to appear in front of us. So as you can see that I've already sent my leads a welcome message. So I'm just going to trigger this flow with the help of a template only. And for that, we have to click on this button which says choose template right over here. So you can trigger this flow by two options by entering the keywords regex or templates. So over here, I'm just going to select templates because it is related to my use case. I'm just going to select the same template which was our welcome message template, and this template should be same which we selected template right over here in our Pabbly Chatflow. You can see the template name is rental inquiry welcome. So we have to select the same right over here, which is rental inquiry welcome. So as you can see that I've successfully selected this template right over here. And as you can see that this template has 3 quick replies button. And now I want that as soon as my lead is going to select any one of this, they're going to receive an automated WhatsApp message further, which is my bot is going to respond. But you have to keep in mind that the welcome message which you are sending should contain the quick replies button. Otherwise, you'll not be able to create a bot. For that, I'm just going to set messages in front of all of these 3 quick actions button. One by one, we are going to set it up. First, we're going to set it for car rentals. So to do this, I'm simply going to create a connection right over here and drag and drop it over here. And now for the content type, I'm just going to select it as text plus button. Alright, so here for the car rentals, I'm just going to enter the message. So as you can see that this is the message I want to send to my lead when they select car rentals, which is we offer a range of luxury and budget-friendly cars for rent. Please select one of the options from the below. Alright, so for that I'm just going to add 3 buttons right over here because I have 3 options. So I'm just going to add button once again. I'm just going to add another button, and once again I'm just going to add another button. And I'm just going to enter text in all of these 3 buttons. First, I'm just going to enter the text as view cars. And now for the next button, I want it to be rental terms and conditions. So I'm just going to enter the text right over here for the same. And after entering this, we're going to move on towards this third button where is contact support. So as you can see that I've successfully entered these 3 buttons text right over here. And now with this, we have successfully completed this car rentals. We're going to add the message in front of home and apartment rentals, and then we're going to move on towards this equipment rentals. So I'm just going to drag and drop this button right over here, select the content type as text plus button. Once again, I'm just going to enter the message right over here if my lead selects home and apartment rental. So yes, you can see that this is the message I want to send it, which is we provide fully furnished apartments and vacation homes. Please select one of the options from below for more details. Once again, I'm just going to add 3 buttons over here and enter the text in all of these 3. First, I'm just going to enter check properties. For the second, I'm just going to keep it as rental terms and conditions only. So I'm just going to enter rental terms and conditions. And then for the third, I'm just going to keep it as contact support. So I'm just going to copy and paste it right from above. So as you can see that we have successfully set it up message for car rentals and home and apartment rentals. Now we're going to move on towards this equipment rentals. For that, I'm just going to drag and drop it right over here like I did in the previous and select the content type as text plus button. Once again, I'm just going to enter the message. And after entering this message, we are going to add 3 buttons once again. Enter the text of all of these buttons. First would be view equipment. The second would be rental terms and conditions. So once again, I'm just going to copy and paste it from above. And then for the third, I want it to be contact support. So yes, you can see that now I've successfully set it up 3 messages if my user select any one of these quick replies. Alright, so now we're going to move on forward and set up message for all of these buttons which we added right now. So first it is saying view cars. Alright, so I want to forward them a brochure if they select this view cars. And to forward them a brochure, I'm just going to drag and drop this media button from the left side of the bar right over here and connect it with this view cars like this. Now it is asking me to select the media type, so I'm just going to select it as document because I want to share them a brochure, and the brochure is always in a document format. If you wish, you can definitely select image or video too. Alright, now I'm just going to drag and drop the file right over here. For that, I'm just going to click on this button given right over here, and as you can see that over here are all my files, which is car rental brochure. So I'm just going to drag and drop it right over here like this. So yes, you can see that I've successfully dragged and dropped my file right over here, and as you can see that my file has been successfully added. Not only the file, also you can see the URL has been added right over here automatically. We don't have to change or edit this. We're going to move on forward and add the caption right over here, which I want to send. So the caption is the message I want to send with this document. So I'm just going to add the caption. So yes, now after adding this caption, we are going to move on further. First, I'm just going to select this check properties. I'm just going to set a brochure in front of this check properties also. I'm just going to drag and drop this media button, connect it with this check properties. And now I'm just going to select the file right over here, which is for the property rentals. Alright, so I'm just going to go towards this property rental brochure and I'm just going to select and add it right over here. Automatically, you can see that Pabbly Chatflow is going to generate the link and the media type. We don't have to change this. Once again, I'm just going to enter the caption too. And after doing this, we are going to do same for this equipment thing too. I'm just going to drag and drop this media button and connect it with this view equipment. So what I'm going to do is, as soon as my lead is going to reply to this quick buttons, I'm just going to send them this message and these options, and further we are going to send them property, brochures, car brochure, and over here the equipment brochure. Alright, so I'm just going to enter the file right over here too, like I did in the previous two. I'm just going to enter this equipment brochure right over here, so that my lead is going to get this equipment brochure just in a single click without any manual efforts. So as you can see, I've successfully added this equipment brochure too. Now I'm just going to add the caption right over here. And after adding this caption, with this we have successfully added all of these brochures. So I've successfully completed the response of all of these three: view cars, check properties, and view equipment. Now we're going to move on forward towards this rental terms and conditions. I'm just going to drag and drop it right over here. And now for the content type, I'm just going to select it as media only, because I'm just going to send them a document which has all the terms and conditions. For that, once again, I'm just going to browse the file. I'm just going to click on this button, and over here you can see the file of terms and conditions, which is a PDF. I'm simply going to add that file right over here, and as you can see that we have successfully added that file. Once again, I'm just going to enter the caption I want to send with terms and conditions file. So yes, you can see that this is the message I want to send, which is please review our rental terms and another. So as you can see that not only this view cars had this rental terms and conditions, but all of these three quick replies button further lead to this terms and conditions button. So I'm just going to connect this right over here with all of these three buttons right over here. Alright, so as you can see, like I connected it with this quick reply button, I'm just going to connect it with this both too. I'm just going to drag and drop this rental, and over here I'm just going to connect it with this rental terms and conditions message. Same I'm going to do for the equipment thing too. I'm just going to connect it right over here. So yes, over here you can see that we have successfully built three connection. One is for car, one is for property, and one is for equipment. Alright, we're going to move on forward. You can see all of these three have contact support too. So I'm just going to drag and drop and enter the message for the same. I'm just going to drag and drop it right over here, and I'm just going to enter the message for contact support too. For the content type, I'm just going to select it as text plus button and enter my message right over here. So yes, you can see that this is the message I want to send, which is also my concluding message. So yes, with this we have successfully completed this flow, but not only for this contact support, I'm just going to connect it with the rest too also, like this. I'm just going to connect it with the property thing and then with the equipment thing too. Alright, so for that I'm just going to drag and drop it and connect it like this, as you can see, like this. So yes, you can see that with this we have successfully connected all of these three with this rental terms and condition, and also with this contact support. So now with this we have successfully completed the flow, and now as soon as my lead is going to get this welcome message, and as soon as they're going to reply to this welcome message, this chatbot is ready to respond to them. Alright, so we're going to test this chatbot, but first we're going to just save this chatbot, and in order to save this chatbot, first I'm just going to name this chatbot. So I'm just going to name this chatbot as Rental Industry WhatsApp Chatbot, and after naming this chatbot, I'm just going to click on this button right over here which says save. And yes, you can see flow updated successfully. So with this we have successfully created this flow, and you have to keep in mind that this should be always switched on right over here, so that this flow is always active. Alright, so let's test this flow once. For that I'm just going to open my WhatsApp, and yes, over here you can see that we have received a welcome message. So I'm just going to reply to this welcome message. Let's say that I'm just going to select car rentals first. I'm just going to test all of these three options, but we are starting with the car rentals. So as you can see that I've received this response. It is saying we offer a range of luxury and budget friendly cars for rent. Please select one of the options from below. So I'm just going to select view cars right over here, and as you can see that now it is going to give me the brochure. Over here you can see the car rental brochure PDF. I'm just going to open this PDF, and over here you can see that this is the car rental brochure PDF which we have received. Alright, now I'm just going to go towards this rental terms and conditions, and over here you can see that it is going to give me the terms and conditions document. Over here you can see please review our rental terms, policies and guidelines to ensure a smooth experience. I'm just going to click on this contact support too and check this once. So as you can see that it is giving me this contact support message too. Now let's check this for something else, which is house and apartment rentals. So yes, you can see that now it is going to give me this message, which is we provide fully furnished apartments and vacation homes. Please select one of the options below for more details. Let's say that I'm just going to go towards the check properties, and now it is going to give me the properties which are on rent brochure, and over here you can see property rental brochure. Here's our latest property rental brochure. It includes available listing, pricing and amenities. Let us know if you have more questions. Same, I'm just going to test it for this, which is equipment rentals, and over here you can see that we're going to receive the brochure for the same too. But for that we have to go towards this view equipment, and as soon as we're going to go towards this view equipment, over here you can see that we are going to receive the brochure for this too. Here's our equipment rental brochure. Find the rental options, pricing and availability. Feel free to reach out for more details, and if they're going to go towards this contact support, they're going to receive the concluding message too. And if they want to know the terms and conditions, they can go towards this rental terms and conditions. So yes, you can see that my WhatsApp chatbot is replying to them, and yes, it is running perfectly fine. But now what we're going to do is we're going to test this whole automation. Like first, I'm just going to generate a test lead from my Facebook lead ads, and then we are going to check that if we are going to receive an automated welcome message, and then we are going to check that if our bot is running or not. Alright, so to do this, I've simply opened my lead ads testing tool. I'm just going to select the page right over here and the form, and we're going to click on this preview form. And yes, over here you can see that this is a form, and I've already filled in the details, which is the type of rental you are looking for, rental duration, full name, email and phone number. So now after filling in all of these details, I'm simply going to click on this continue and then submit. And yes, you can see that thanks, you're all set. So with this, we have successfully generated the test lead. And now what has happened is that lead ads testing tool has sent the details of a test submission to our workflow. Pabbly captured the response, triggered the workflow, and further sent a welcome message to our lead. So I'm just going to open my WhatsApp, and yes, over here you can see that we have received a WhatsApp message which says hello dummy user. You can see that this WhatsApp message is personalized. I have my name which I entered in my test submission, which is dummy user. Alright, so yes, we have received the WhatsApp message, but now I'm just going to test that bot. So for that, I'm just going to select any one option from below to test my bot in real time. And yes, you can see that it is running perfectly fine. You can see that it is responding me in real time within seconds. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our flow right over here. We have also tested it in real time, and it is running perfectly fine. So now upon receiving a new Facebook lead ad, they are going to receive a welcome message, and further if they reply to that welcome message, my bot is going to get triggered automatically without any manual efforts. So yes, with this we have successfully completed this video, and this was a video related to the rentals of cars, house and apartment and equipments. With the help of the same logic, you can create this automation and this flow for your business and needs. So yes, I hope this video was helpful for you, and you're going to soon create more automations like this for your own business too. And now with this, we have successfully completed this video and our workflow too. And if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for more automation tips.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can integrate many more applications. So if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find our videos helpful, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.